Mr. Tech Bench.
Alright, today we're working on a 13 mini. For this, you're going to need a pentalobe screwdriver, you're going to need a tri-wing screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver, as well as a pry tool. The first thing you want to do is you're going to want to take out these two pentalobe screws in the bottom, holding the screen down. That's a little blurry. Alright. Now that those are out, we can go ahead and get our pry tool. Get underneath the screen. We're gonna pry it up. You're gonna go around the edges, cutting the glue. Don't want to go too deep because you don't want to cut any of the cables on the inside, but just enough to break that adhesive on both sides. On this phone, on this side here is where the cables are. So you don't want to go, really don't want to go too deep over here because you don't want to break any of those cables. Alright, there we go. Now you're going to open it up opposite of a book for this phone. Here we go. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our tri-wing. We're going to take out this single screw here. This will allow us to release the battery. Once we release that battery, there we go. We can go ahead and remove the screen cable. Now we get our tri-wing back and we grab these two screws here. Now we need to switch to our Phillips head for one last screw on this part. And that screw is right here in this corner behind the cable. Once you have that out, go ahead and pull the plate off and you can remove the proximity cable. Take your frame, put it off to the side. Now you want to get your tri-wing back out. You're going to remove 3 screws here. Remove this frame. Alright, so for this part, you're going to want to heat this back up because this is adhesive down. We have to pull this cable up here off of the screen to put onto the new screen. So let's go ahead and get that heated up. Alright, then I got the heated up. And then get underneath the cable. Be very gentle, slow and gentle with it. I'm going to pry up this cable. There we go. Get underneath some of these sensors and just pop them out. That. Underneath this sensor, pop that one out. There we go. Now you can put your old screen off to the side so you can get rid of it. Grab your new screen. Peel off the plastic that comes on it. I'm going to put back on the sensors. These sensors are the microphone, the proxy sensor, and the true depth sensor, I believe, is on this one as well. Once that's back in, we can go ahead and grab the bracket that holds it down. Grab a tri-wing, screw that back in. Alright, now if that's screwed back in, we can go ahead and bring back the frame, plug it back in, and test our screen. Put the battery back in, put those cables back in. I keep doing that. Now plug these cables in first, then plug the battery in. Now I can test the screen, make sure it starts. Alright, there we go. Make sure it boots fully up, and then we can go ahead and put the rest of the brackets back on. Alright, now that it's fully loaded up, you can go ahead and get the rest of the brackets back on. First I'm going to do is the battery cover. Yep. Now you can get this bracket back on here. Switch back over to your Phillips head for the last screw. And now I can close it back up. Alright, once that's all closed up, go ahead and reinstall your pencil up screws on the bottom. Alright, now go ahead and test the rest of the phone, make sure everything else functions properly, and that's how you fix a 13 mini.
Call Mr. Tech Bench.